What are the happy memories? The ones where you transcended the protocol, where it didn't make any difference? Would Cuba be one with Castro?
Oh, yes. We had a lovely time in Cuba. It was wonderful.
Let's talk about some of the people that you had your paths crossed with. For example,
can I get a number, girl? Can I get a number, girl? Can I get a number, girl? Every time she see me, she start kissing and biting, fucking and fighting. She want to see a cocky mountain, she a riding, pulling me inside her. So I pull up, we butt naked under my cover. The lights out, baby, I'm starting to wonder. Girl, I'ma have to keep it 100. Can I get you a towel, wipe you down before you go? Please, can I get your number? Can I get your number, girl? Can I get your number, girl? Can I get your number, girl? I wanna call you up, see I want your number, girl. Can I get your number, girl? Can I get your number, girl? 656547855. See, I'm ready.
Oh, what a charmer. And you know why he's in power. He has got charisma coming out his ears. What a charmer.